Alright, see how many times you can randomize it. 4 times. 4 times. Alright, let's randomize it. 1, 2, 3, 4. There it is. Good luck. Jason, you got the first 5 packs, and Jamie, you got the last pack. Let's go to our spreadsheet. There's the order. Rob, I'm gonna go ahead and email you. This is for 2004 Bowman. Alright. Let's turn on random.org and let's get started. Randy, hope you're having a good day today. I'm gonna wear my gloves.
Back there, 6 packs, right?
Mm-hmm. Got a little checklist here. Looks like a basketball limited edition box loader. We're gonna random that off at the end. So I'm gonna leave that right there for after. Here's the packs, 1 through 6. It's a very nice tight little box. I'm gonna get the gloves. What's up, Reno? From Australia. Nice.
Wow.
Down under, huh? Welcome to the breaks. Vintage breaks, that is. After this break, Reno, I'll turn on the specials. Tonight at 10 o'clock, we are having a random drawing for a $50 breaker credit. So anybody that buys into any spot today, only for today. All right, first pack, Jason. Well, the first 5 are yours, Jason. So let's move that over here. Good luck, everybody. Let's get started. Wow, these are very nice. All right, first card. Paul Pierce, Mike Sweetney, Gerald Wallace, Tony Parker, Andrei Karolenko, and you got Trevor Ariza, autographed. It is serial number. It is number 120 of 399. Jason, congrats.
Cool.
I believe he is still playing. And for the Knicks. All right. It comes in a case late. Pretty cool.
That is pretty cool.
Hard plastic case. All right. Jason, next pack. All right, because your base cards: Mike Sweetney, Antoine Walker, Ray Allen. It's a different color though. It's nice. Serial number 29 of 50.
Autograph?
No, there's like one of the base cards, kind of.
Yeah, no, John. It's a very cool set because there's a lot of inserts besides the autographs.
Okay, so there's like a Bowman Signature insert, but it's not autographed. This one's not autographed.
Okay.
It's just serial.
The number to 50.
Yep, 29 of 50. Very nice.
Yeah, make sure you sleeve it.
Yep. Okay, Jason, that's going into a penny sleeve and into a hard top loader. There you go, Jason. Congrats. Okay, let's continue with the pack. Michael Redd, Richard Jefferson, and your signature is Dorell Wright. Dorell Wright. Hugging that basketball. And the serial number is 68 of 169 from the Miami Heat. It's a nice picture. Okay, there you go, Rob. Thank you. Next pack. Going to Jason again. Sup, Arcos. Welcome to the room. Jeff, welcome to the room. We're breaking the 2004 Bowman Signature Box that we sold out last week. Alright, first one we got Kwame Brown, Peja Stojakovic, Dwight Howard, and it's serial numbered 308 of 1,000. That's your insert card right there. It's a patch card. It's a nice card. Nice looking card. Let's put that in the sleeve. There you go. Congrats, Jason. Again, that's 308 out of 1,000. All right, let's continue with the rest. Amari Stoudemire, Goskis, and Rashad Wright, autographed for the Pacers, and it's serial numbered 182 of 399. Congrats. There you go. Let's get that into a baggie. There you go. All right, Jason. Let's keep going. Hola, Arcos. All right. Fourth pack. Lamar Odom, Carlos Boozer, Sean Marion, Jason Kidd, Steve Nash, Shaquille, and Sasha Vujicic. It's nice. Autographed Lakers.
Very cool.
Very nice. It's a serial number
Popular.
12 of 399. Low number, guys. Good job, Jason. No other insert in that one. Fifth pack. Jason, is your last pack. See what we got. Kobe, right on top. Ray Allen. Hey, Jermaine O'Neal, insert. So go, Jason. Serial number 143 of 169. Very nice. Put that in the sleeve. The top loader. There you go. One more time. 143 of 169. Congrats, Jason. Okay, let's continue. Carmelo, Steve Francis, and Donta Smith. Donta Smith from the Hawks. And the serial number 58 of 169. All right, Jason, congrats on your packs. Jamie, you got the last pack. Go, Rob. Thank you. So what we got? You got Luke Rignor, Kirk Henrich, Bonzi Wells, Vince Carter, Zach Randolph, and Kevin Martin. Patch autograph. Nice. So the Sacramento Kings. Serial number 19 of 399. There it is. Jamie, congrats. What's going on to you? I believe there was no insert in that one. There you go. Thanks, Rob. And I'm going to go ahead and random off the top loader, box loader. Just a checklist I don't think we need. So let's random that off real quick. Let me turn on random.org. Turn off the spreadsheet. Okay.
The roller lace.
I'm gonna just get the names one more time. Start a new list. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and roll it X times. Let's see. Let's find out. 5 times. Alright, I'm gonna roll it 5 times. Randomize it 5 times. The first thing on top gets the box loader. Here we go. Turn it on. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, and first name on top, Jason. All right, Jason. Congrats, you get it. Let's see what you get. Let's open it up slowly, gently. Don't want to damage the card here. All right, not bad, not too bad. And Donta Smith.
The sign?
No, it looks like a refractor, sort of.
Is it a number?
It is serial number 17 of 50.
Cool.
Not bad. Congrats, Jason. So it's going out to you. Put that in the sleeve. That is the box loader that has been randomized. And I'll be going with your other cards. There it is. Donta Smith. All right. Thank you guys for joining that break. And thank you for everybody watching. Go ahead and